Coming back from the previous video, we were discussing how to prepare the line diagram with the given rooms, okay, and how to draw them according to the sizes given with the scale 1:100, okay. So now first let us see what are the rooms they have given. They have given us front veranda, that is 2.5 by 2.5 meter, hall 7.8 meter by 4 meter, bedroom 4 meter by 3.5 meter, kitchen 3 meter by 3 meter, bathroom 2.2 meter by 1.6 meter, water closet, that is nothing but the toilet, 2.2 meter by 1.2 meter, and utility. So this you can take it as a storeroom also, 2 meter by 3 meter. So these are the requirements, or these are the rooms to be provided in the line diagram. So now let us see one by one. So just let us analyze in what order we can give all these rooms in the line diagram. So as we know, at the front part of the building, at the main door, we usually have a veranda or a sit out wherein you can just have a chit chat, have fun and relax, and we can relax to the cool breeze with the door open for us. So that will be that sort of room, that is the veranda. So if it is a small house, if you are not giving veranda, directly a hall can be given. So here they are asking us to give front veranda also. So front veranda will be the first room in the home, okay. So then hall or living room or drawing room. So the hall can be given at the middle portion of the home, okay. So that is usually a standard portion, standard notion to give it in the middle of the home. And bedroom, we have to give it to a corner, that is there. Kitchen is also usually located at a corner of a building. Then the bathroom and the water closet, they are also represented at the corners of the building. And this utility or storeroom we can say, so it can be given to the side of the kitchen, because if any materials are needed in the kitchen, so you can take from the storeroom, or if any other material is needed for the different purposes in the home, so that material can be taken from the utility or the storeroom. So in this manner we can give the room allotment, okay. So first let us see the front veranda, 2.5 meter by 2.5 meter. So just let us see here. Okay, so this will be front veranda, that is 2.5 by 2.5. So here always remember, so I'll tell you, 2.5 by 2.5 means this represents the horizontal and this represents the vertical, okay, in the top, in the plan I am saying. So 2.5 meter in this manner and 2.5 meter in this manner. Similarly 2.5 meter horizontal, 2.5 meter vertical. So here front veranda means draw a line of 2.5 meter like this, and vertical, the next number, draw a vertical line of 2.5 meter like this. Then again like this, complete the rectangle. So now here these sizes are given in meter. We need to convert it into scale, because we cannot give meters on the sheet, drawing sheet, because the drawing sheet are not so much big. So what they have given here is, the scale is given as 1:100, okay. The scale is given 1:100. So now 1:100 means if 100 units are there on the field, it can be represented as 1 unit on the drawing sheet. That is the meaning of this one. So now let me take the unit as centimeter on both sides, okay. So 1 centimeter is to 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter on the field gives you 1 centimeter on the drawing sheet. So that is what. So then this size should be converted into the given scale. So 2.5 meter, both sides it is 2.5 meter. So now 2.5 meter is equal to 250 centimeter, okay. Convert the meter into centimeter, because the scale we have taken as 1 centimeter is to 100 centimeter. Whatever the scale is having the unit, the same unit should be taken in the drawing also. So 2.5 meter is the value given, converted into centimeter, it becomes 250 centimeter. So what is the scale? 1:100, that is 100 centimeter on the field is 1 centimeter on the drawing sheet. Therefore 250 centimeter on the field is how much on the drawing sheet. This is to be found out. So cross multiply here. 1 into 250 is equal to x into 100. Okay, so now x is equal to 250 divided by 100. So that will be 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so x is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So how to draw this room now? So take a ruler scale, okay, take a ruler scale, instrument scale, draw 2.5 centimeter like this, 2.5 centimeter like this, again same thing, 2.5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. This completes your front veranda. Okay, so hope you are able to understand how the values are to be converted into the required scale. Okay, in the next video we shall see how to arrange the different rooms in the order, how to construct them in the line diagram.